Buying GoHighLevel can be a big investment, especially if you are just starting your agency or online business. But before you subscribe, there is something you should know. GoHighLevel is launching a special Elite Week promotion for a limited time. And depending on when you buy, you could get much more value than signing up on a regular day. So before you click that purchase button, watch this video because this offer could help you save money and get started with extra benefits. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best software deals and marketing tools. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to claim the GoHighLevel Elite Week offer. By using the description link, the promotion will be applied automatically if it is still available. And when it will be available, that will be discussed in just few minutes. So watch this video. So let's talk about what is GoHighLevel first. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform built for agencies, marketers, freelancers, and business owners. Instead of paying for separate tools for CRM, email marketing, funnels, websites, appointment booking, automation, SMS marketing, and client management, GoHighLevel brings everything together in one platform. That makes it a popular choice for businesses that want to simplify their workflow and reduce monthly software costs. Now, let's talk about the Elite Week promotion. This is a special limited time campaign that runs for only 1 week. During this promotion, customers can access exclusive offers that are not normally available throughout the year. If you have already been thinking about starting with GoHighLevel, this can be one of the best times to join. The promotion starts on Monday, 13th July. It will end on Sunday, 19th July. Once this promotion ends, the special Elite Week offer will no longer available. So timing is important. One thing I always recommend is comparing the value of the promotion before making your purchase. Sometimes these limited time campaigns include bonuses, extra resources, or special pricing that can make your first months with the platform much more valuable than signing up later. If you are planning to build a marketing agency, managing clients, automate your business, or replace several different software subscriptions with one platform, this promotion is definitely worth checking out. Even if you are still learning GoHighLevel, securing the offer during promotional period may help you get more value as you begin using the platform. The best part is that you don't need to search around the internet trying to find whether the promotion is active. Simply use the link in the description. If the Elite Week campaign is available, you will be taken directly to the promotional page where you can review all the details before making your purchase. Remember, limited time offers don't stay around forever. If GoHighLevel has been on your list, don't wait until the promotion is over and then wish you had checked it earlier. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope this quick update helped you to learn about the upcoming GoHighLevel Elite Week promotion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description link before the promotion ends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.